Let's see. This figure represents a three picture. The first picture speaks about the solid state, the solid state of ice. The second one is water in a liquid state. The third one is vapor or a gaseous state. Let's see what we see. In its shape, they are changed when they transferred from one container to another, because they take the shape of the container. Which one of them take the shape of the container? The first one is a solid or liquid or gas. No, the liquid state and the gaseous state only take the shape of the container. Let's go to Y. Has the ability to fluidity in liquid state. What the meaning of fluidity? Fluidity means a fluid. Fluid, what is a fluid? A fluid is how to slide, the particles slide over each other to make their motion. Let's go to see the other one, fixed shape in solid state. So here we speak about the three pictures. The first one is solid state, which speak about the fixed shape, and the other, the liquid and the gaseous state, they have no fixed shape. Let's go to the compressibility. Compressibility, what the meaning of compressed? Compressed means that we change the volume of the state with increasing the pressure. Let's read it. Compressibility of gases, which means the possibility of changing their volume by increasing the pressure exerted on them. There are many ceilings. The first one contains fine sand, the second one contains water, and the other one contains air. Which one is compressed? The first or the second or the third? Which one has many space between the particles of this matter? The last one has many space. When we compressed the material, we decrease the space between the particles. So the sand cannot be compressed, the water cannot be compressed, but the air is. Let's go to the diffusibility. Diffusibility is come from diffusion. What the meaning of diffusion? Diffusion, it means the motion of the particles from the high concentration to the low concentration. Diffusion is how the motion of the particle do. The motion of the particle transfer from the high concentrated area to the low concentrated area. So it depends on the motion of these particles. Let's read it. The particles of matter diffused from a region of high concentration to a region of low concentration. And diffusion occurs very rapidly. Rapidly means very fast in gases, and with average speed in liquid, and very slow speed in the solids. Let's go to another characters. The speed of diffusion depends on the temperature of the diffusion medium. Temperature increase, the diffusion increase. The motion of the particles increase. So diffusibility increased by increasing the temperature. Where the speed of molecule with less mass is greater than the speed of molecule with greater mass. Which one of them has more diffusibility, the large one or the small one? The less mass is greater diffusion than the other greatest mass. Let's see this potassium permanganate in water. It has a big masses and a small masses. Which one of them has a large amount? The permanganate is a small amount in the large amount of water, so the motion of the molecule of water make it diffused. Diffused means spreading inside this solution. Let's go to another one. Let's imagine ourselves on a journey inside the matter. Inside the matter, we will make a journey to modeling the particles, How to modeling the particles? Imagine that all the matter consists of particles. Each matter consists of many particles. These particles are in solid and liquid and gas are similar if they are the same matter. Let's go to the tiny particles inside the matter. These we are called particles. Imagine particles as tiny spheres. They are like balls, spheres, that make up everything, such as water, air, and block of metals. They are consists of small or tiny particles. They called particles. We call them as molecules. Let's speak about it as the particles in your book. Let's go. Particle theory of matter. There are many theories that we understand the science with them. The first one is theory of particles of matter. They are assumption of particle theory of matter. They have many points. The first point, all matter are made of particles which are so tiny that they cannot be seen with naked eyes. We see it by microscope maybe. Let's go to the second one. Particles of the same substances are identical, and there are types divided from one substance to another. What this mean? That means if we have a sugar matter, that means the particles of sugar are similar to each other, but they are divided from sugar than from salt. They are divided from one substance to another substance. That's the second assumption. The third one speak about the attraction force. There are many attraction force between the particles. If we see that the matter consists of tiny one, all of them are bonded together. This bond make attraction force between each other. There are attraction force between the particles of substances, and the particles store potential energy between them due to the force of attraction between them. Let's speak about this energy. This energy means potential energy. What the meaning of potential energy? That's the energy stored between the particles as attraction force. There are many types of energy. One of them is attraction force, that means potential, and one of them are kinetic, that means the motion of these particles, and the other. So let's speak about attraction force as a potential energy.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.